Well, so we have some severe weather possibly coming our way?
We do. In fact, we have several chances of showers and storms and some severe weather, certainly a possibility. Today, though, we do have a front. It's draped right across the state right now, and so behind that we have more of a breezy north wind. Out ahead of it, it's more of a south wind. It does have some showers associated with it. Here's Next Gen Live. It's all coming in out of the south and southwest, slowly drifting off to the north and east, and not everything that you're seeing in parts of southwestern and southern Oklahoma is actually hitting the ground, but as it gets a little bit closer to the radar, it certainly is, especially there around Grady County. It's going to eventually move just north of Purcell, but right now no lightning associated with it, and not expecting any widespread thunderstorms this afternoon, but we are expecting a few scattered showers. This is our Chickasha camera, part of our Air Comfort Sky Cam network. It's definitely cloudy. It's still warm though. It's 70 degrees. We have a south-southwest wind coming in at 10 miles an hour. Right now you can definitely tell where that boundary is. Behind it, we're only in the upper 50s in Alva, 59 degrees in Woodward, but sitting at 70 in Oklahoma City, 73 in Ada, and 73 right now in Durant. Eventually this boundary will be making its way off to the south and east, and then it's going to move back to the north and west. So it's going to meander around the state here for the next couple of days or so. But behind that, it's definitely breezy, the wind being out of the north and out ahead of it between about 10 to 20 miles an hour out of the south. So right now, the big picture is showing this boundary once again just draped across the state, and we're going to have several boundaries move across the state over the next several days. So we're going to keep those chances for showers and storms in the forecast. This particular model is showing that we are going to have at least some isolated showers in the forecast for this afternoon. But later on this evening and into tonight, eventually that boundary will be shifting back to the north and west, and that's where the most likelihood for some showers and storms will likely redevelop, especially overnight after midnight. They're going to move out of southwest Oklahoma and eventually into parts of northwest and central Oklahoma overnight and into tomorrow morning. That's when those chances will really pick up. But during the day tomorrow, we are expecting more showers and storms to redevelop. They're going to start northwest Oklahoma. We're going to have some scattered showers and storms possible during the day, in the afternoon, even here in the metro. And then once we get into tomorrow evening, a lot of the models have been really pointing out that we're going to have some much stronger storms in northwest Oklahoma. They're going to ride north basically along that boundary there in parts of northern Oklahoma and southern Kansas. Even some more showers and storms likely though to our south and east, and then that's going to be moving on. And then on Wednesday we're going to have yet another chance of seeing some showers and storms. Right now this particular model is keeping most of the chances, to the highest chances at least, to the south and east, but that's still in question. It really depends on what happens here over the next 24 hours. That's going to determine what happens on Wednesday. So for today, eventually that boundary will be slipping off to the south and east. Temperatures will still be able to make it into the 70s, not getting out of the 50s though in the northwest part of the state. This afternoon there's about a 40% chance we're at least going to have a scattered shower or two in parts of the metro. The highest chances will be along that boundary later this afternoon, just to the south and east. This evening the chance will wind down a little bit, but still a widespread slight chance for an isolated shower or storm here and there. Overnight after midnight and into tomorrow morning, storms will likely develop in parts of Texas, move into southwest Oklahoma, and eventually become a lot more widespread in northwest Oklahoma, eventually making its way into central Oklahoma. With that being said, there is a low threat that some of those storms will become severe, with up to quarter-size hail and wind gust to 65 miles an hour, with the most likely place for seeing the larger hail up to quarter-size hail would be just to the north and west, almost outside of the metro. And then overnight tonight, temperatures will drop into the upper 50s, could see some upper 40s in northwest Oklahoma. Tomorrow, temperatures in the upper 60s, still some 70s to the south and east, but still holding on to the upper 50s to the north and west. But by tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening, it's a lot more likely we're going to have widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, with a threat that these storms will become severe. Right now, it's a low threat across western and parts of southern Oklahoma, but a moderate threat in central, northern, and northeast Oklahoma. Tomorrow afternoon, there is going to be a low tornado threat for the metro, but the farther north and east you go, especially as we get into tomorrow evening, that tornado threat will go up a little bit. As far as hail, we could see up to golf ball size hail in parts of the metro tomorrow afternoon and evening, but we could see isolated tennis ball size hail in parts of northern and northeast Oklahoma. So again, tomorrow's going to be a much bigger day. And then tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, the chance for storms will be a lot more likely in northeast Oklahoma and parts of eastern Oklahoma. Still about a 40 to 50% chance, and that chance will start to wind down here in the metro. On Wednesday, we still have a slight chance of showers and storms. In fact, we have a chance of showers and storms every day for the next 9 days. Alex?
All right. Thanks, Cassie.